Hello mga kaheroes! Time check 12:45 p.m. It's time for lunch mga kaheroes. So nag-prepare tayo ng special rice noodle. It's a Thai rice noodle. So ito po yung mga kaheroes. So medyo flat po yung ating Thai rice noodle. And then meron tayong lettuce and dumplings, pork dumplings. Meron tayong pork ball, meron tayong crab meat, fish ball, and sausage. So, para mas malasa ang ating noodle soup, lagyan natin ng chili, oil, and fried garlic. And also, ang ating another toppings, spring onion on top. So, this is my special Thai rice noodle. Make my own OFW Mom A. So, hope you like it. Ang ating recipe ng ating Thai rice noodles. So, yun mga kaheroes. Hope you like it. Ingat po lagi. God bless. Please comment down below. At kung nagustuhan yung ating recipe for today, it's my own recipe Thai rice.